Hello diamonds, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Mary and thanks for tuning in, giving you guys my first impression about the new XXRevolution highlight and blush. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, do keep on watching, and yeah, let's get right into the video. I will be testing out this new product. This is the XXRevolution highlight in golden hour, see that, and the blush in retro. Makeup Revolution came out with another line of products. I don't know if it's a sister company, I don't even know. They're always releasing new lines and new sister companies. So this is called the XXPOSURE highlight. Okay, it's exposure, okay, exposure highlighter and excess blush. The name is interesting. I really liked this highlighter, and this brush really spoke to me, and I said I was gonna get it. It just looks different. So I'm just gonna be bronzing my face now with the Makeup Revolution sculpting bronzer in Enrobe. So I'm just using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder in dark to just out the excess translucent powder on my face. I'm just gonna do my brows now off camera, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back. So I just went off camera to finish up the look, to do my eyes and do my brows, because we don't want to sleep here. I will start with the blush, then we'll go into the highlighter. So this is how the packaging looks like. I must say Revolution has really stepped up their packaging. I'm loving the pink metallic packaging that is going on here. It's beautiful. Oh, okay. Oh, I love this. Look at that. How the back looks like. I love the pinkish vibes it's giving me. The packaging is nice. It has the XXRevolution right there. This is what it looks like now. Oh, okay. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. It has a mirror, and this is the shade I chose. This is retro. Is this bright orangey blush right here. I've never used an orange blush, so I was interested. I wanted to see how it will look like on me, and as you can see, my eyes are speaking orangey. So let's see if this will appear nice on me, and yeah. Alright guys, so I'll just use a brush and apply it now. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. It has a mirror inside, and yeah. And guess what guys, it actually has XX engraved on the blush, which I think is really cute. So just using a clean brush now, I'll be applying the blush on my cheek, and let's see how that goes. Okay, so wish me luck. It picks up quite a good amount of product. Can you see that guys? It picks up quite a good amount. So with this, I know this blush should be very, very pigmented, which is really good. So I'll just be applying that on the apple of my cheek. I'm loving this guys. I don't know if you can see that. I'm actually really loving this. I've never used like this sort of shade color range of blush before in my life, and I'm actually loving the way it's coming up on my skin. You know, when I saw this retro, it was speaking to my whole existence. I won't even lie to you. I just knew, yes, I had to get this. But yeah, this one. And the thing is, appearing on your face, but it's not overpowering. Do you get? Like, it's there, but you can still see it, but it's not boom in your face. It doesn't make you look like a clown, which I like. Oh, I'm really, really, really loving this shade. Like, I'm happy I chose it. Oh, wow. It just melts into the bronzer. It's just, yeah, I'm definitely loving this. Okay, so let's move over to the highlighter. So I chose the highlighter in golden hour. When I saw this highlighter, it was reminding me of Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Yes, the very yellow one. So this is how the highlighter looks. Ooh, okay. This is how it looks like. It comes with a cover to protect it, and it comes with a mirror. So this is what the highlighter looks like. It's giving me trophy wife vibes, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, it's giving me trophy wife vibes straight up. So let's apply this and see how it looks on the face. Okay, I will just apply a little because this These bronzers can be playing tricks on you. So okay, I'm loving how it's coming out on. Okay, it's definitely giving me trophy wipe, but a less more shine and glittery. Trophy wipe is really glittery and very shiny, but this one is giving me a more subtle. Oh, I'm loving this. Like, guys, this is giving me a more subtle glow. Like, can you guys see that? Wow, that highlighter is popping. It's popping, and it's like, it's something you can build up on. So if you want it really blinding, you can build up on it, and if you want it really subtle and, you know, radiant, you can also do that as well. I'm loving the tone, the shade it's giving me. I'm loving the feel, the way it looks on my skin. It's definitely giving me trophy wipe vibes, but in a more subtle. And can you guys see that? I need to zoom in for you guys. You guys can see this. You guys see? Look at that. It's beautiful. This is beautiful. I don't want to overdo it, because you can tend to overdo it, because it's just so beautiful on the skin. I've been looking for that perfect highlighter that would not be over blinding, that would not be too much, and I think I found the one. I think I lost a bit of the blush there, so I'll just go back into the blush and just reapply that. Honestly, guys, this is beautiful. This is amazing. I'm loving the way it's coming up on my face. It blends into my skin. It's giving me that rich radiance I'm looking for. It's not too much. It's not too overpowering to the point that it's just, you know, blinding you. It's definitely giving me trophy wipe vibes. And yeah, guys, let me just finish up this look, and I'll come back to you with my final thoughts and my recommendations. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm just gonna spray my face now. So I'm just using the Makeup Revolution Spot Fix Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna drench my skin in all of this goodness. Even when looking at this whole thing from my viewfinder, I'm in love. Like, these two products has not disappointed me. Trust me. The blush was giving me exactly what I was looking for. It was very subtle. Like, the orange was not so much in your face that it becomes overpowering. I love the packaging. Makeup Revolution has really stepped up. They're taking it to a whole new different level. I love the way they engraved the XXRevolution on it. I feel it's really cute. And yeah, it's like a mini suitcase, like, just me looking at it. I'm loving the way it's showing up on my skin. I have nothing bad to say about this blush. Now to the highlighter. I'm loving the glow it's giving me. It doesn't have glitters in it, all those annoying glitters that sometimes all these bronzers can have. It's just beautiful, guys. Like, look at it. Like, and you know, it picks up, when you use your brush, it picks up quite a good amount of product. The texture is actually very good. It's smooth in texture, and you can build up on it. For the price, it was a bit pricier than normal. The highlighter came in 12 different shades. I believe it caters for every skin tone. There's a highlighter for every. I want to believe that all the highlighters will also perform amazing. I got a highlighter for £12, which for Makeup Revolution is a bit on the pricey side, but for what you are getting, trust me, it is worth it. Like, it is well worth it. Like, guys, look at this. Like, I'm loving it. I'm loving what it's giving me. I'm loving the glow. I'm loving the radiance. It's beautiful. I actually see this as a very good dupe to Trophy Wipe. I'm not even kidding. Even better, in my opinion. Look at how the bronzer just melts into the blush, and the blush just melts into the highlighter. All Makeup Revolution, guys. Come on, you can't beat that. As in, like, I'm loving everything. So yes, will I recommend this product? Yes, definitely. I'll recommend these products. I have nothing bad to say about them. They're both amazing. This brings me to the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time I make a video. All right, diamonds, stay safe, stay beautiful. I love you all. Bye.